Finally, let's look at some examples of good, properly made brazed joints and see what's special about them. Look at this T-joint. It's neat, the fillet is tiny, and there's no excess filler metal. There's no need for special finishing operations here. Look at this cornet. The joints are invisible. A brazed joint is strong and ductile. It can be bent without fracturing. The tensile test shown earlier in this program showed just how strong a joint can be. Tube joints are leak-tight. This is critically important when manufacturing products such as heat exchangers. They work in pressurized circuits where a leak in any one of the joints could prevent the whole system from working. Every unit is pressure tested to ensure 100% leak-tight joints. Brazing is also the most useful process when joining dissimilar metals. As long as the fillet is compatible with the parent metals and melts at a lower temperature, almost any combination of materials can be brazed together. In some instances, the properties needed in a component may vary from one area to another. This masonry drill is a good example. The tip needs to be hard and give a long life, while the shank must be tough and shock resistant. So the tip is made of tungsten carbide and the shank of steel. The two parts are brazed together to provide the properties needed in the places where they're needed. Brazed joints are widely used in electrical applications, such as these contact assemblies. The filler metals are excellent conductors of electricity, and the finished joints are so thin that there's very little resistance to the electrical current. Brazed joints can also show extreme resistance to heat and corrosion, as in this jet engine. A correctly selected filler metal will produce joints which are at least as corrosion resistant as the parent materials. Strength, leak tightness, ductility, electrical and thermal conductivity, corrosion resistance. Every brazed joint has these qualities, provided the 6 basic steps of brazing are followed. 6 basic steps which are the secret of successful brazing.